In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background in Zoom. If you want a cleaner, more professional look during your Zoom calls, blurring your background is a simple way to do it. This feature helps keep the focus on you instead of what's happening behind you, which can be especially useful if you're working from home, joining a meeting from a shared space, or just want a little more privacy on camera. To get started, join a Zoom meeting as you normally would. Once you're inside the meeting, take a moment to make sure your camera is turned on so you can preview the effect more easily. Seeing yourself on screen can help you confirm that the background blur is working the way you want. Next, click on Settings in Zoom. This is where you'll find the main controls for your video and appearance options. If you're already in a meeting, these settings are easy to access and only take a few seconds to open. After that, click on Video and Effects. This section gives you control over how your camera appears during the meeting. It includes visual options that can improve your on-screen presentation, and it's the place where Zoom keeps its background and enhancement tools. From there, click on Virtual Background. Even though you're not choosing a full image background in this case, the blur option is usually located in the same area. Zoom groups these features together because they all affect what appears behind you while your camera is on. Now select Blur. As soon as you click it, Zoom will soften and blur the background around you while keeping you in focus. This creates a neat separation between you and your surroundings, helping reduce distractions for the people watching. If the blur doesn't look perfect right away, try